Madison, welcome to my channel MaddCrafty, and welcome to 25 days of holiday crafts. Today is day 1, and we're going to be making Matchbox advent calendars. For this project, I'm using 25 matchbooks that I got at the dollar store, hot glue and glue gun, little beads, and washi tape. There you have it. Of course, there are many different shapes, sizes, ways you can do this, but I like little things, so this is good for me. I think I'm gonna ask my mom to fill this up with treats for me. I'm gonna FaceTime her and see what she says, even though she's upstairs.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom, look.
How's your tree? Oh my God, it's fabulous.
Do you think you could fill it up for me?
With what?
With treats.
Right now?
No, not now, for the 25 days of Christmas.
Sure I can.
Okay, thanks, bye. She said yes. You might be thinking, what am I gonna put in those tiny little boxes? Well, I could think of a lot of things. You could put an engagement ring on the 25th day, and that could be your proposal. You could put a spare key to your apartment for your significant other to say, hey, come over anytime. You could put homemade earrings or homemade keychains in here. Fun size Laffy Taffy, other candies, peppermints. The list goes on and on. Anyway, if you like what you saw, please give it a thumbs up. If you make one of these, please tag me at MaddCrafty on Instagram or email me at info@maddcrafty.com, and I will see you tomorrow. It's gonna be lit.